Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to a new video of Sunanda's tutorial. So in this video we will discuss about different parts of flowers like your calyx, corolla, androecium, gynoecium, and their arrangement, different types of calyx, different types of corolla, different types of placentation which are present in your plants, and estivations. So all these kind of terms will be discussed in this video, so please stay tuned. This part is present in your morphology of a typical angiosperm unit, and it is present in your SSB botany lectureship syllabus. So let's start. At first, so this is the detailed structure of a flower and vertical section of a flower, where at first the receptacle on which all parts of flowers are attached, all the part of the flowers are attached. Then the whole cluster of flowers born on an axis, and that axis, whole axis, is known as inflorescence. Stalk of that inflorescence is known as peduncle, and individual floral stalk is called pedicel. Then what is bract? Bract is a reduced leaf which is found generally at the base of the leaf. It is the bract, leaf-like appendage. Then what is bracteole then? It is present between bract and the flower. Generally, it is an additional hole of your calyx. In a flower, generally there are 4 holes. One is, outer one is calyx, inner to calyx, corolla, then male hole or male reproductive part or androecium, then female reproductive part or gynoecium. So generally that calyx hole, an additional calyx hole, is called as bracteole. Then what is pedicel? It is the stalk or stem that supports a single flower. It is the stalk of a flower. Then this pedicel, it actually connects the flower to the inflorescence. It is usually seen in pedicellate flower. The flowers with pedicel is called pedicellate flower. For example, rose. The flowers without pedicel called sessile flowers. For example, sunflower. Bracteate flowers have reduced leaf at the base of their pedicel, whereas ebracteate flowers do not have any bract. That means the bract, which is a leaf-like appendage found at the base of the pedicel, and the flower which bear that bract is called bracteate flower, and which lack that bract called ebracteate flowers. Similarly, the flowers with bracteole is called bracteolate, and the flower lack bracteole called ebracteolate. Then there are various types of bracts, various kinds of bracts which are present in different species of angiosperm. For example, leafy bract, that means bract is totally leaf-like. Then petaloid bract means colorful bract. Spathe bract, which is very large bract. Involucral bract, where the whole bract associate with each other, fuse with each other to form a involucre or cup-like structure. Then scaly bract, like a scale. Cupule, then epicalyx, which is a additional hole of calyx. Glume, lemma, pellia, all are found in your monocots. So let us discuss all these one by one. At first, leafy bract, these are often known as foliaceous bract. In this type of bract structure, the bract usually resembles with the leaf of the plant. Then what is petaloid bract? These bracts are generally distinguished as petals of flower because these are colorful. For example, it is present in Bougainvillea spectabilis of Nyctaceae family, where bracts are present in and bracts are brightly colored and bright red in color to attract various pollinators. Then Poinsettia pulcherrima of Euphorbiaceae family, and commonly known as euphorbia, is the bract that is bright orange in color. Then it is important to note that even though it belongs to petaloid bract structure, the bract of this plant have a leafy structure also. Then Cornus species of Cornaceae family, more commonly known as dogwood, has white colored bract. So it is all about petaloid bract or colorful bract. Then spathe bract. This bract structure is responsible for providing protection to the whole inflorescence, and they are long and very large and cover the complete inflorescence. Some of more commonly found plant bract structure of this kind are bright yellow to green in color, present in arum, maize, banana, spike of polyanthus. Next, involucral bract. These are generally characteristic features of your Compositae family or Asteraceae family. Sometimes bract develops a cup-shaped structure, and that is known as the involucre. And here the bract form that cup-like structure. So that is known as your involucral bract. It is also present in your family Umbelliferae. This family includes carrots which possess involucral bract. Then what is scaly bract? These bracts have a rough, bumpy outer surface. This type of bract include florets of catkin and cyathium inflorescence. And this is commonly present in your Humulus lupulus. Then cupule. These are hard woody bract, generally present in your oak, birch, hazelnut. Then epicalyx. This is a very important category of bract, important kind of bract. These are the hole found in around your calyx. They are considered as modification of your bracteole. Okay, because that bracteole is actually the additional hole of your calyx. Additional calyx hole is called as your bracteole, and generally this bracteole modified to form epicalyx. Then glume. These are closely related to your scaly bract and mostly present in Poaceae family or Gramineae family. Then lemma and pellia. These are generally found in the family Poaceae. Here it is written that Gramineae. The old name of Poaceae is Gramineae. The bract structure is lemma, and flower-like structure that actually fits inside the bract called pellia, which is the bracteole of that plant. So our flower is generally have 4 holes: calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. 2 outermost holes, that is calyx and corolla, are called accessory holes, and androecium and gynoecium are called essential holes because they take part in your reproduction, sexual reproduction. Calyx is the outer hole, corolla is the second hole. The individual unit of calyx is called sepals, individual unit of corolla is called petals. Then androecium and gynoecium are called essential or reproductive holes. Then a complete flower has all these 4 structures: outer calyx or sepals, then petals or corolla hole, then stamen or male reproductive part, then pistil or gynoecium or female reproductive part. Then an incomplete flower lack 1 or more of these 4 holes or structures. Then calyx. Let us discuss details about calyx. Suppose the calyx, generally calyx is green in color. So that type of calyx or sepals, which are the individual unit of calyx, that sepals are green in color, generally green in color and called sepaloid. But sometimes the sepals are variously colored and they are colorful other than green, like which are present in your Mirabilis and Delphinium. Then about the fusion, sometimes sepals are free from each other, present in your mustard family, mustard or Brassicaceae family. Sometimes they are united and fused with each other, Datura and Hibiscus, present in your Datura and Hibiscus. Then duration of calyx, generally sepals or calyx layer fall off early or prematurely, present as seen in case of your Argemone and Papaver. Then deciduous sepals fall off along with your petals just after the fertilization, as seen in Brassica. Brassica means your sarson, Brassicaceae family. Then persistent, they are remain attached to the fruit, like your tomato. Tomato have a calyx. Then brinjal, a long calyx is present on brinjal. Then solanum, datura. Then marcescent, this is called persistent calyx, but it takes shriveled. Generally it is shriveled and dried up structure. Generally present in your guava. That black color calyx is present on the upper surface, on the top of the fruit, guava fruit. That is called marcescent calyx. Then acrescent, again a persistent calyx, but growing in size along with the fruit, as present in physalis and soria. Then modification of calyx. So generally they are modified to pappus structure, like hairy structure, as present in your Sonchus, Vernonia and sunflower. It is the characteristic feature of your Asteraceae family. Present of calyx as pappus is the characteristic feature of your Asteraceae family. Then sport, when one or more sepals become beak-like outgrowth called spore, present in Impatiens and Delphinium. Then leafy, generally in Musenda, the calyx or sepals are more leaf-like structure. Then spinous, where the calyx are modified to form spines, as present in Trappa. Then hood-like structure in Aconitum, the sepals are modified to form a hood-like structure. Then bilabiate, generally present in your Lamiaceae family, Ocimum sanctum, Tulsi. Here the calyx have two-lipped or bilabiate or bilipped structure like this. Okay, so these are the structures. Sonchus, where the calyx is modified to form pappus. Then spod, present in your Impatiens. Then leafy sepal of Musenda. Persistent spinous calyx of Trappa, bispinosa. Then hooded calyx of Aconitum. Okay. Then corolla. So generally they are variously colored, so called petaloid petals. Then generally sometimes they are green in color, as present in your Magnolia, Polyalthia. So these are different types of modifications of your calyx. So it is only the part 1 video of your floral morphology. In my upcoming video I will discuss about different types of corolla structure or petal structure, modification of petals, then about androecium, the parts of androecium, then gynoecium, parts of gynoecium. So please stay tuned, like my videos and share with your other friends, and please subscribe to my channel Sunanda's Tutorial. Thank you.